League match day 3 Abewi Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ebo draw versus Young Apostle. Kotoko dropping for points for the first time. Oh, Ghana Premier League. This is Accra Suffolk picking the first 3 points for the first time in the Ghana Premier League. Yes, match day 3 no Abewi reactions and more. And now Obuasi Lenklen Sports Stadium. After the game, na ebufu kakra wo attacks, verbal attacks, asem na making eko coach Prosper Ogum so titiri say adenti a onyusu player friend Samuel TENADU. Once Samuel TENADU asakoye Obuasi boy no. Now, the expectation was that he was going to be used, but unfortunately, coach no enyusu no. Samuel TENADU sat at the bench throughout the 90 minutes. Coach Prosper Ogum attacks echo no so. Now Kotoko fans no so as I issue a very strong warning this time many abre. Adia bako about Ante Kotoko no. So we are good to go, but sa Kotoko drop points and I say lose bar. Ayana enye easy crime na stadium wo na utimu say supporters na charge now some of them who coach Prosper Ogum they were booing him for the decisions who take here Emma Bono a result to 1-1 versus Young Apostles. Coach Ogum Akasa at the Crontia where you shoot Samuel TENADU or the Chirimua reacting towards attacks no Nina home Asemwaha Yade Broba meanwhile Kotoko supporters no air qualify for experience Justice Blay say is that about time coach Obesha say a use Justice Blay. Not Justice Blay has started Kumasi Asante Kotoko games. Even if say any defensive role no baba midfield wa obetimi abeye bibi emu nchiremu no ni nyina wa ha ye de bro ewo Super 24 TV no so information there ebi wo wi ase enya to hope ye de bebro ewo Super 24 TV no so. Now over the weekend across the folk share Bichim United 2-0 the Legon Sports Stadium. About for Accra Football supporters, they say Accra Sports Stadium no jama ya kesi omo intro bobo movie no omo call Legon Sports Stadium no good for them ometimi akọ record omo first win for the season or say 2-0 against Bichim United. Now what it means they say for the first time in 4 years Accra Football are winning the 3rd league game in Ghana Premier League. The last time ABC in 2020 and Accra Football it's been winning the 3rd Premier League game in Ghana. Now and only HSA this time around maybe Yambompa said things are going to turn for the right for Accra Football, our Phobian brothers. Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Young Apostles game at the end of the 90 minutes. Player Emmanuel Entry was adjudged the man of the match. And Accra Suffolk and Bichim United no so Hussein Mohammed was adjudged the man of the match. Yeti now Yenshan so say Accra Suffolk game no the goals were scored by Ransford Mensah and my own player. Your friend Hamza Issa Oko Accra Suffolk, he is one of the brightest spots our Accra Suffolk setup without slight shake of doubt. So has for it to make the development near player no will rise to become a very good player in future for Ghana. Hamza Issa, yes, and a to atna a tosumi no Emma Accra Suffolk Emma has for no ensure say the needed victory and the 3 points were accumulated. Now, Yabako Obuasi nsem ne de wa ha. Obuasi nsem ne de wa ha. Yabako Obuasi na Obuasi no mamemfa we enhyase quickly. And now tikita the GFA a print man Kumasi Asante Kotoko for Obuasi Stadium no. It was sold out. So Kotoko had to print another ticket. Not on because the pay buy overwhelming numbers. Now it tells you say sometimes this Accra Sports Stadium, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, no, I don't know. But sa club no ekobo ba before from the stadium no etimi chepa. The basic reason is simple. Say this stadium no, omo capacity no is lesser and Baba Yara ne Accra Sports Stadium no so chom and all a factor. But still na you who say nipa ya omo behwe Kotoko ne has games ewo outside Baba Yara no. A dog so chain normal games Kotoko Dreams FC, Kotoko Accra Lions or Baba Yara Stadium. And run nipa yenyaye against young apostles. Ewo Mobuaseno make it come and I do 25,000. And men kind the last time at Kotoko a ball a game against ordinary or a middle club table, a middle team table like Tima Efreno, young apostle Dreams FC, Accra Lions, ne ade na Kotoko nya 25,000, almost 30,000 ewo Baba Yara. Hardly, very hardly, but se team no a movie from Baba Yara no come a bit so Boase Stadium and 40,000 capacities now. I am 10 high numbers. And now the same thing applied with Accra Folk game no. Accra Folk versus Bichem United. The Lagos Sports Stadium, not stadium match. Na a check but in Kaya Accra Sports Stadium in Kaya another issue. Won't say stands the move go pay or have bono na live coverage no cry and but body bo na stadium no achia. Aya na ema agrono efe na aside de so they make sure. It's a run. Some tickets were printed after the GFD na mo de buy no a sign no. Kotoko esa printing new ticket for this particular game because na nipa buy na eba and on all this important fixture. Now in the course of the game and Kotoko said the reports in the buy Kotoko were profligate or more essay chances in the first half, but then second half no Kotoko came into the game a little bit better and shown some resilience just after say young apostles for no to Atenedi guy Kotoko came back and responded very well. Then Emmanuel MP equalized at the buy. But then again, Kotoko fans no, most of them, and I'm very sure you are calling for the fact say Justice Blay should be find a place in the Kotoko starting 11. You know. So defenders no, which is Samba Unel, and just Joseph Ablon are the center backs. Justice Blay can play just in front of them. That's how and of course I need even. So basically, Kotoko supporters they can say Justice Blay and Samuel TENADU eventually abum fifi in place of Intimenu and Michael Chedamina. That's another option. And yet but Bibia Betty. So coach Prosper Ogum and now some of the attacks are not physical, verbal attacks, and are now Elkono so say Justice Blay should be starting for Kotoko. He's one of the experienced players in Kotoko setup this year. And or club, only the spirit of the club. So it was a good cause. Supporters no can say it is about time Justice Blay particular should be playing for Kotoko. And you can say a total neglect for him. And on TENADU a defensive midfielder. On also not supporters the air call for the inclusion into the team. Say what's up with Obuase boy no also supporters the air call for the crowd a poor game no or no na a huru no air call coach I friend of Prosper Ogum to say I was say TENADU a bobo nanka I was say o manebo. Yes. Now after the game, Coach Prosper Ogum render explanation at the Gruntia TENADU one mana movie no and also no plan saying Kobema TENADU abebo be but Tembia already we are game ni kwa and I will take you decision. That's according to the narrative of Coach Prosper Ogum Nati. Ochemu said, Ekoye second half no ye na be so be introduce Tenedu, but na Kotoko down with 1-0 and Kotoko atika. Kotoko here say go be win the game no. So defensive midfielder Tenedu no at that particular moment no, now he wasn't needed that much. And until Tenedu one for number no. So o plead with Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters, they say at the right time Tenedu is going to have also the bits. Na washa asia gba Kotoko. Na team no a Kotoko hyehyɛ no enye individual team, but a Kotoko team no and the very important thing. So ya more play away na ye bo play away a eni kwan say e de echi ni wa show eba. But what I say so that's explanation enra ode maaye o say Kotoko na Kotoko were down by a goal to 0. There is no way Ananga was a defender and I said say midfielder, defensive midfielder eba game no. It was going to be a wrong call. And Ojitu mu said Tenedu nemre ebeso ama wetimi aba no wa bebo ball no ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko enti. On that no explanation Coach Prosper Ogum Nati ede eba no. Then again, there's some concern about the foreign players. And now I say, foreign players now must start saying, well, Kamara start saying, and Joseph Ablo meaning some main counting as a foreign player. Now say on your foreign player because from Guinea but Ghanaian descent kakra. So ex-smart Joseph Ablo and who else? A smart Joseph Ablo, when they start say, and Kamara. So 3 now. 3 foreign players and the starting mark Kumasi Asante Kotoko yesterday. Coach Ogum make it a point of the GF Asema Ghana Football Association. 5 players. Sir, in your West African region, you cannot start 5 players for a Ghana Premier League match and only in Shisha or Enuntia. Nigeria Nino Basi ane Abdurrahman Abdul Karim, even though Abdurrahman Abdul Karim there na our bench so but but Emran say won't me and started 5 players omoye foreigners at a goal in a Ghana Premier League match. A choir ubetimi afaso astarte omono and say sir omu free West Africa there. You can start all of them. But so move free West Africa, you cannot start all of them. That's what the Ghana Football Association Emrano can with regards to foreigners and the Ghana Premier League. It's Coach Ogum on why foreign players so it's me and the Bobby and only the okay. But I 3 players and the start say and I mentioned but if my memory serves me right, I think say Kamara, Joseph Ablo, and ex-smart, or more with the foreign players in Tinka. Still, Nanka Bako, Ewa Kenya Senko beats me, Abu Bubi. Kotoko and Nimu, the supporters also are calling for a huge one top striker now, Obono. I think say most of the supporters are not agreeing with that, especially Miami Senior Man for Motahe YouTube channel, who said, Coach Prosper Ogum, Obo Abet Amwa, and yet player, who is in the Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and Dimo, sir, not a Jama. Kotoko strikers, no others, you can even improvise some of the players who feel say, attacking minded. Now, the other so, but okay, say tembiano, abet amwa tembia, abet amwa. Sometimes you'll be found wanting, and now over Juma say na enye abet amwa nko Juma. Inti that particular one too, we observe it and most Kotoko fans observe him say at least abet born home there, but still now we here support our animal na ankoye ononko tembia sa. Yes, we consider the fact said Elvis Chamber for a bar or the ball. Elvis Chamber for bar and a Nigerian forward, offensive midfielder, and also bar on any ball. But at this particular moment, so many are available. Still now, we can have our ways which we can boost our four line. Tell me our four line no ekoye abetamu ankwana uhia goals na goals nemba waso ebeye show. For Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim, the reason why when a proper taste of the game, a coach Ogum ena ebetimi achim at this particular moment. I'm on for about na hokeka ability on the ball near there, but I think the coaches need him better. In Siyebejai, ama coaches now Oma decided on him. Kumasi Asante Kotoko next game, or travel into Brekum Chelsea. The game is coming on next weekend. Yeti na yensha so this season, Makase Ghana Premier League, there is no midweek games. Inti midweek game biya beba na eye game a postponed game and na ye dia be show. It for instance Kotoko ni insua treman game a outstanding no e beba be she midweek. Ye nim say a Wednesday we na beba be she. And now say next week Wednesday and e beba be sha no dey e den ya Kotoko bebo. So currently as we speak Asante Kotoko e wo 4 points. 4 points no first 3 points are winner from Karela and pointer or PK from a young apostle gamer and right of course wakofa in Simbibre Abba supporters. No, some of them were very, very angry. Say game we was a game and was say Kotoko ewini. A crowd of folk abeda Kumasi Asante Kotoko tope with 3 points, but on the chiri baby. Yes, a crowd of folk are picking the first 3 points. So the difference right now is 1 point. But the good thing is that Kotoko ewo outstanding league game with a tima ye freno. Monsieur Ateraman. Yamo Nations FC Abaso. Oko Ediana Eko share Ediana Doma ewo Nana Ajiman Bedu Park. Oko share the 2-1. Mia me boy Razak Simpson and a J man of the match. Ewo that particular game. Enti yebebo player ye freno Razak Simpson Abaso near Nations FC team no nyina so Abaso for this historic win. Doma hono omo grounds no enye easy say obeko no akofa win. Enti yebebo this Ashanti region team which is Nations FC. Yebebo ma Nations FC ye sha say utumus ekoya coach Kasim Menga ekoya, but second round no bon say ajiagu last year Premier League boy and komo ye one kakra bia ko bitimi age league no and omo tenatena omo Samates e fa ho second round omo buy no omo league results ebe say ye for about 9 games na omo timi nya good results bia na omo drop ya omo timi anje e mo pa se be kose ya mo na Kumasi Asante Kotoko nzuru eja ya wa outstanding bi wo ho e she fridge mu na ye clear we are ye sure say e betimi dey akọ 7 points na che say ye huri akoda top obi enti nsem ne de course so enyina eno no beda asese oni bi di kaso bombio Kumasi Asante Kotoko your hope for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Ghana Premier League news eno no eheya beda asese oni bi di kaso bombio mo to fo nyankopon insha na de wo ye bia no on top ni super no engusumo yebesa share in the next video.